Usually the camera is pretty good at beeping at me, but I'm guessing I was going downhill and had a lot of wind noise in my ear and didn't hear the beep go off. Wow, it's a beautiful morning though, absolutely a beautiful morning to be out here on the road. Whoa, bumpity bump. My last series of videos I recorded about a week ago, I guess it was. Don't know what I was thinking at the time, but I kept saying during that ride that it was July 27th. And that was last week. Today's July 28th. And I was laughing at myself when I was editing the video, and I was thinking, wow, so far off on a date. What the hell was I thinking? Well, you can see that car didn't care about those speed bumps. I didn't even see brake lights. Ran right over them. Probably a woman driver. Can I say that out loud? Probably a woman driver. So that guy just walked, I went by, he's walking with earbuds on. And, you know, once in a great while, I'll see somebody on a road bike go by wearing earbuds. I don't know if that's a smart idea or not in terms of safety and hearing road traffic and things of that nature. But on the other hand, I'm supposing that to have your favorite tunes in your head, listening to them as you're riding must be pretty nice. I kind of like the sound of the road and the wind, things that you hear in nature as you're riding along. But on the other hand, there are some roads that I ride that are, you know, fair amount of traffic on it. And I'm thinking, you know, that might not be a bad idea. Put on a set of headphones and drown out the sound of the traffic. You know, I often wonder, people who watch videos put together like guys like me who are out on their bikes, And there is a lot of guys who do this kind of thing. But I wonder for those people who just happen to stumble across a video like this, who are not into road biking, I wonder what their idea is of, as an example, that sound and that sound and that sound of just how loud it is on the road with cars and trucks and things. And hell, I'm on a road where there's virtually no traffic at all. I mean, come on, there's nothing here. But there are some other roads nearby that are state highways, and certainly the interstate, but the state highways that I sometimes, well, there's state routes, I shouldn't say highways. But some of those roads where speed limit is 45 or so, and man, the road noise on those roads are make you look, make you just want to get off the roads completely. Well, everybody rides, everybody's into road biking for different reasons, you know. As for me, I do like to get rides in where it's quiet roads, secondary roads, enjoy nature. There can be a certain amount of peace and quiet on the roads at times when you're on a bike.